Hello and welcome once again to this tutorial. Today we are going to be learning something very important, and that is how to turn on professional mode for Facebook. How to turn on professional mode for Facebook. So you may have a Facebook profile which you want to convert to professional mode. First, before we begin, let us look at some of the advantages of professional mode. So the professional mode helps you to be able to take more number of followers, because when you convert to professional mode, you no longer have friends. What you have is followers. The basic profile, the normal Facebook profile, as you know, cannot take more than 5,000 friends. So if you are on the normal Facebook profile and your friends uh, are getting, the number of your friends are getting um above that 5,000 threshold, 5,000 Facebook may automatically convert your your profile to professional mode. Though there will be a pop-up that will ask you if you want to accept the conversion, but you'll be warned that if you do not accept the conversion, then you will lose the friends that your followers, because while you are on the normal Facebook profile, there are some people that you did not accept their request, which are your followers. So if you don't accept that pop-up, you are going to lose those followers. So this happens not sometimes, not even when you are reaching that 5,000 threshold. When you begin to post constantly, create content constantly, Facebook may show you that kind of pop-up. So now we are talking about some of the advantages of the professional mode over the normal Facebook mode. So one of them, like I said, you can take above the 5,000 threshold. Then secondly, you have access to advanced analytics, which is not available in the normal profile. And then you also be able to monetize if you are on professional mode. Another advantage of the professional mode over the normal Facebook profile that you, you need to know is the ability to collaborate. So if you're on the professional mode, you can collaborate with other creators. You can add other creators as collaborators, and other creators can add you as collaborators. This is not available on the normal Facebook profile. Okay, so with that being said, let us see how to convert your normal Facebook profile to the professional mode, as the case may be. So if you're in your Facebook account or dashboard like this, to access that functionality, just tap on your profile picture here. So when you tap on your profile picture, you scroll down, and then you see these three horizontal icons towards the right of the edit profile button. So you tap that, and then when you do that, you scroll down. If you scroll down here, you are going to see, if you have not converted to professional mode, you see the option to convert to professional mode here, but I am not seeing it in this my account, probably because this is an added profile. So this profile is an additional profile that I added to my main profile. So that might be the reason why I am not seeing that functionality here. So that is basically how to convert to your normal Facebook profile to professional mode. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, comment, and follow for more. Thank you and have a pleasant day ahead. Thank you for watching.